thank you for using Delta. We have this message, guys, so let me click here. Guys, all scripts are edited successfully, guys. I can't believe it. What's up, fellas, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox for absolutely free, safe, and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop. Then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. And now we'll have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So go to your official Roblox profile, okay, and just go to your profile and copy your link, okay. Super easy. Let's get back to the R tool, and then you have this button, paste, and just press, and guys, automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. So let me, as you can see, it's found. So just click on and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. So I will select this. Let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, what I forgot to say, this is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, guys, and this is the best and safer way to get your Delta Executor. So AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys. And now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher. With the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Underdog Fantasy, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. So if you have this message, guys, just wait for this redirecting, okay, and let's see. Verification successful. Thanks for passing the boot check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this, okay. So let me open the Roblox and let's play the game, okay. Let's play this Grow Garden, okay. Guys, as you can see, I'm now in the game and we have this panel, okay. So let me click here. Thank you for using Delta. We have this message, guys. So let me click here. Guys, all scripts are edited successfully, guys. I can't believe it. So that is pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.